If you're trying to lose body fat, stop eating breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I used to come out with the same shit as well because they were giving the wrong information about food. I wear a glucose monitor sometimes. When I wake up in the morning, my blood sugar level is high. I've got a lot of energy. In fact, I feel very energetic. The last thing you want to do is to inject a shitload of insulin into your body. Because when you eat, especially cereal, like something shit, when you eat that, your insulin level goes up. And then what happens is your body asks you for some more. So instead of spending that energy, there's too much insulin. You start feeling tired. You start feeling hungry. You start craving. And you start making the wrong food choices. What I tell my clients is this. When you wake up in the morning, don't eat anything. Eat between 12 and 1 o'clock. And with that, make sure you eat foods that are not going to raise your blood sugar. Eat eggs, avocado, cheese, olives, nuts. Eat those foods. Eat any animal protein. Start eating real food. Start not listening to these people about food and you see how good you feel.